WYCLIFFE Ambeta Oparanya nyumwe wari amendekithitio ni President William Ruto duduini yake ya minister kuma kiamani kia ODM na kugikinyania hitukio. Oparanya egukorwo akihuria ithenya ria Simon Chelugui ta minister wa THOTHAITI.
Thank you, Chairman.
Agithurimwo ni kamiti ya WAMURANI bunge-ini ya bururi kimwe gia ciuria iria ciyumiririe ni NGUKUMIO iria Oparanya AKURUHANITIO nayo ya ciringi birioni 1.3. Oparanya akieherania na thitango ici.
We want you to shed more light on these allegations of corruption, abuse of office, conflicts of interest and money laundering, because you will agree those are very serious and grave allegations.
I want to say in front of the cameras, nobody has come to me to write a statement. I don't know, this prosecution is one-sided. I've never been given a chance to say my story.
Agitetera, Oparanya augite wadere etwo ni kamiti ya EACC yandikithia riboti yothe na ningi ati riboti ikonainie na NGUKUMIO iria yumiria riria atungataga gavana wa Kakamega, akiuga ethanagwo nake ni kunyita itemi mirurungano-ini ya Azimio mwaka muhituku na gukorwo na ndugu ya hakuhi na Raila Odinga.
If I'm lying, check your records. I worked for 10 years. Nobody came to my office about any corrupt case until August 2023, when we were doing maandamano. And when they came to my house, it was even not about corruption. The first question they asked, what business do you do with Raila Odinga?
Oparanya ni umwe wa atongoria kuma mwena wa mung'ethaniro aria mareganaga na kigina kia Hustler Fund, amwe ao makihinyiriria muingi ndukarihe ngombo iria moya. Oparanya akihinyiririo atariria murugamo wake riu.
You handle Hustler Fund is in that ministry. What do you think you will do? And you know the way we opposed it very well, me and you on the streets.
I know I was among the people who are opposed about the Hustler Fund, and I had not known the facts about the Hustler Fund until now. I've been briefed about the Hustler Fund. I think this fund, if well managed, is a fund that will take our people from poverty.
Ona gutuika Oparanya ni acenjetie murugamo wake wigie kigina giki, ni ugite mubango wa kurutithia wira Hustler Fund na wahanyukirio, agitariria hena maundu maigana ona marafatara kurungwo.
The only problem is that this fund was launched in a hurry without proper legal structures in place, and in the process the treasury allocated 13 billion Kenya shillings.
Ungumania uria ukoretwo ho kwa miaka mingi utongoria-ini wa THOTHAITI tiganite ni undu we yumiririe. Oparanya akihinyiriria hena bata muingi kuheo mathomo maria magirire mbere ya moete ngombo cia mithemba o yothe, na ningi ataririe bata wa kung'ethanira na turia nime aria makoretwo makiyira muingi na njira ya kumakugia wara.
That's why we are coming up with these funds and sensitize people that before you borrow any money from someone, or someone says there's a pyramid sort of thing, please check with the officers there that is such an institution registered.
Hoka ni muigana wake. Oparanya augite no toga wa ciringi milioni 600. Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.